The scientific secrets of the tomato for lifespan health. Welcome back to We Healthy, where we uncover the science behind the foods that fuel your life. Every time you bite into a fresh, sun-ripened tomato, you are engaging with centuries of history and a marvel of natural chemistry. The tomato, botanically a fruit but culinarily a vegetable, is not just a vibrant ingredient. It is a pharmacy in a sphere. Today, modern science confirms what traditional diets suggested. The tomato is an unparalleled superfood. This is a journey to uncover the complex nutritional mechanisms of the tomato and how they specifically benefit health at every stage of the human lifespan. From the Andes to the world, a brief history and botanical profile. The long and winding road of Solanum lycopersicum. The tomato's wild ancestor, Solanum pimpinellifolium, originated in the Andes Mountains of South America, primarily in what is now Peru and Ecuador. Its journey to the global plate is one of the most fascinating tales of domestication. The early cherry-sized fruits were first cultivated and eventually brought northward, undergoing significant genetic changes in Mesoamerica, present-day Mexico, where they were referred to by the Nahuatl word, tomato. The European fear. When Spanish explorers introduced the tomato to Europe in the early 16th century, it was initially viewed with suspicion. Belonging to the Solanaceae, or nightshade family, a relative of the deadly nightshade, it was often grown only as an ornamental plant. The wealthy, who ate tomato-based dishes off acidic pewter plates, suffered lead poisoning, tragically reinforcing the poison apple myth for centuries. Global acceptance. It took the culinary embrace of Italy and Spain, particularly in the Mediterranean diet, to prove its safety and value. Today, it is arguably the most important horticultural crop globally, with over 10,000 varieties, from tiny cherry tomatoes to massive beefsteaks. The Nutritional Arsenal, unpacking the chemistry. The core compounds, beyond the basics. What makes the tomato a health champion is its composition. It's low in calories, about 18 per medium fruit, and high in water, around 95%. But its true power lies in its micronutrients and phytochemicals. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. A medium tomato provides roughly 28% of the reference daily intake, RDI. As a potent water-soluble antioxidant, vitamin C is crucial for immune function, iron absorption, and the biosynthesis of collagen, a vital protein for connective tissues, skin, and bones. Potassium, an essential mineral for maintaining blood pressure within a healthy range. Potassium regulates fluid balance and counteracts the effects of high sodium intake, making it a cornerstone for cardiovascular health. Vitamins A and K, beta-carotene, and orange pigment is converted by the body into vitamin A, necessary for vision, immune response, and cell differentiation. Vitamin K, specifically K1 or phyloquinone, plays a direct role in bone mineralization. The lycopene phenomenon is the undisputed star. Lycopene is the predominant carotenoid, a red pigment, in ripe red tomatoes. Unlike most carotenoids, it is not converted into vitamin A, allowing it to exert its function as one of the most powerful liposoluble, or fat-soluble, antioxidants directly in the body's lipid-rich environments like cell membranes and lipoproteins. The lycopene power mechanism, bioavailability, and efficacy. The science of bioavailability, raw versus cooked. The most critical point in tomato nutrition is bioavailability, how much of the nutrient the body can actually absorb. The heat advantage. Lycopene exists primarily in a trans configuration in fresh, raw tomatoes. When tomatoes are cooked, processed, or heated, as in sauces, paste, or soup, the lycopene structure changes to the more readily absorbed cis isomers. This is a unique and beneficial quirk. Processed tomato products often provide up to 4 times more bioavailable lycopene than fresh tomatoes. The fat necessity. Since lycopene is fat-soluble, it must be consumed with a source of fat, like olive oil in a classic Mediterranean sauce, avocado, or cheese, to maximize absorption into the bloodstream. A simple drizzle of olive oil on a roasted tomato completely transforms its nutritional impact. Antioxidant mechanism. Lycopene scavenges free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress, leading to cellular damage in DNA, proteins, and lipids. By neutralizing these radicals, lycopene helps prevent the onset of many chronic diseases. Age-specific health benefits from youth to seniority. Targeting health across the lifespan. A. The growing years, children and adolescents. For young people, tomatoes are foundational. Bone and connective tissue, the combined power of vitamin C for collagen and vitamin K for bone matrix development ensures a strong skeletal system crucial for growth. Immunity and defense. Vitamin C and beta-carotenoid act as primary immune system boosters, strengthening the body's resistance against infections. Ocular health. Even young eyes benefit from lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids concentrated in the retina that protect against blue light and oxidative stress, proactively setting the stage for healthy aging vision. B. The productive years, adults. For adults managing stress and lifestyle risks, tomatoes provide powerful protection. Cardiovascular disease prevention. Lycopene is vital. It significantly inhibits the oxidation of LDL, or bad cholesterol, a key event in the development of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. Studies show regular consumption can improve endothelial function, the health of blood vessel linings, and lower blood pressure due to its potassium content. Skin protection. Tomato compounds offer internal protection against UV-induced damage. While not a replacement for sunscreen, lycopene's antioxidant shield may help reduce the susceptibility to sun-related redness or erythema and contribute to pro-collagen production, supporting skin elasticity. C. The golden years, seniors. Longevity and cognitive health are paramount for seniors. Cancer prophylaxis. Epidemiological evidence strongly links high lycopene intake with the reduced risk of several cancers, most notably prostate cancer in men and, in some studies, breast, lung, and gastric cancers. The mechanism involves inhibiting cancer cell proliferation and reducing DNA damage. Cognitive function. Chronic inflammation is a driver of neurodegenerative decline. Lycopene and other tomato phenolics can cross the blood-brain barrier to exert their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, helping to preserve neural tissue and support cognitive vitality. Anti-inflammation. The flavonoids, such as naringenin, found in the skin, provide systemic anti-inflammatory benefits that can help reduce discomfort associated with age-related conditions like arthritis. The culinary strategy and modern science. Maximizing tomato power. To reap the maximum benefits, strategic consumption is key. Processed is best for lycopene. Don't fear canned or jarred tomato products. Concentrated sources like tomato paste and puree deliver the highest dose of bioavailable lycopene. Always pair them with healthy fats like olive oil, avocado oil, or nuts. Fresh for vitamins. Raw tomatoes are the best source of heat-sensitive nutrients like vitamin C and some B vitamins. Incorporate them in salads or fresh-cut snacks. Variety is key. The tomato contains a complex mixture of compounds, lycopene, beta-carotene, chlorogenic acid, and quercetin. It's the full package, the tomato matrix, that yields the greatest health benefits, suggesting that isolating a single supplement may be less effective than consuming the whole fruit. Emerging research and the future. Scientific exploration of the tomato continues to unveil new benefits. Antiplatelet effects. Research has isolated a concentrated water-soluble tomato extract, WSTC, which has shown to help maintain normal platelet aggregation, contributing to healthy blood flow, a targeted, immediate benefit for reducing stroke and heart attack risk. Genetic breeding. Ongoing research is leveraging the genetics of wild tomato relatives to breed modern cultivars with higher concentrations of beneficial compounds, ensuring a more nutritious future. The Mediterranean model. Ultimately, the tomato's success is intrinsically linked to the Mediterranean diet, a rich, diverse, and fat-inclusive way of eating that naturally enhances the bioavailability of its powerful, fat-soluble nutrients. From the dinner table to the laboratory, the tomato stands as a testament to the power of plant-based nutrition. Its lycopene legacy is a story of powerful disease prevention, systemic cellular protection, and enhanced vitality for every member of the family. Before you go, let us know in the comments, what is your favorite way to prepare tomatoes to maximize those health benefits? If you found this deep dive helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to We Healthy, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next science-backed look at how to live your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and stay We Healthy.